Greetings. Okay, this is just going to be a short video tutorial and analysis of my essay on the school curriculum. What I'm going to be focusing on here is the structure of the essay. It's an essay structure which I think you can use and borrow for other essays as well, not just this essay topic. Okay, let's have a look. The first thing to do is, of course, to look at the question up here. Very standard IELTS question. It comes with the background topic about changes to the school curriculum, and down here the real task: to what extent would you support or reject the idea of these changes? Now let's have a look at the structure of the essay. Points to note: 1, 2, 3, 4 paragraphs. I've chosen this because it's simple. 5 paragraphs is also possible, but 4 is good enough. It's simple because it allows you to do this. Here we got the argument for, paragraph 1. Here we got the argument against, and down here, the conclusion, we have the personal point of view. Now, 2 things to draw your attention to. No, 3 things actually. First thing is this, in red. At the beginning of the introduction, in recent times there's been much debate about which subjects should be included on the school curriculum. Now, what I want you to note is that this, at the beginning of the conclusion down here, if we bring this up and look at it, my own personal point of view is that there is some merit on both sides of the debate. What I'm doing here is I am mirroring the same language in the introduction. This is good in the exam. It takes the pressure off you. You're not having to find too many new words. But it's also very good for coherence. It brings your essay to a close. It shows the examiner, rather, that you are following one argument through. Second point I want you to note is also to do with coherence, really, and organisation. Each of the two main content paragraphs starts with a sentence in blue like this. These are the boring old topic sentences. There are more sophisticated things to do, but in an exam, don't bother. Keep it simple. Simple is good under pressure. And what simple is here is you simply make the point, the main point of the paragraph. There is one argument in favour of replacing art, music and sport. Very similar down here. There are also, however, strong arguments for retaining the more traditional subjects as part of the curriculum. And these topic paragraphs, topic sentences rather, simple as they are, will be noticed by the examiner, which is good, but actually more importantly, it will make your own writing more easy. You make the point, you explain it, you give an example. You make the point, explain it, give an example. If you can write one paragraph, you can write the second paragraph. Now my third point is this, a vocabulary point. Yes, you need to vary your vocabulary in IELTS, but you can also keep it consistent. Consistent is good. Consistent is coherence and cohesion. What I want you to see here is we got much debate up here in the introduction and the debate down here in the conclusion. I'm mirroring the language. That's good. Also, 2 topic paragraphs, 1 major argument. Here, we got the word argument, but I varied it slightly with strong arguments here. And this consistency of vocabulary is something you should definitely think about. Okay, so briefly to resume, there are 3 main points here. 1, keeping vocabulary varied but consistent. 2, thinking about the topic sentences. And 3, getting a clear structure to your essay. Okay, good luck.